I've been pushing work all summer.
Right guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I am going to use my collagen creamer. Guys, these collagen creamers is my first time giving it a try, and it's by Vital Proteins. Now, I don't know about you all, but I'm not a regular coffee drinker, so I don't have any of those fancy dancy little machines, you know the ones I'm talking about. So if you're like myself and you don't have one of those fancy machines, just go ahead and do what I'm doing. I'm just gonna start off with a cup and a half of water, and I'm gonna put a tablespoon of coffee, and I'm gonna put it on the stove and boil. Look at that. It's just wow. Guys, collagen is just super amazing. It's good for your skin, hair, and nails. Just good for so many parts of your body, guys. And this Vital Proteins Coconut Collagen Creamer, it has no sugars added. This is gluten and dairy free. It can be mixed in hot, liquids, and or cold. And it's for healthy joints and bones, skin elasticity. And guys, I'm about to try this right now. All right, it is very creamy, definitely very creamy. And I can taste the coconut, a hint of coconut. It smells amazing. It's creamy. This does not have any sugar inside, so if you need to sweeten your coffee a little bit, I recommend that you put something else in it, whether you want to put just sugar or honey or whatever you want to use, but it has an amazing smell. And the coconut is in it, and it smells so yummy. That's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to keep the questions coming and leave comments below. And remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.